My people, now where do I greet my people? I greet my people. I greet everybody. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good morning. I greet man. I greet woman. I greet everybody. I greet my people. I greet the pregnant women. I greet the little children. I greet heaven and earth. I greet everybody. I greet my people. Now well done, my people. I greet everybody. My people, I thank you now. I thank everybody. I greet you now. Now welcome, now welcome, now welcome, now welcome. I greet everybody. I greet my brother. I greet everybody. My people, my topic will make me come out. Princess Odonoji. Why come out? Be say many people for Benin people that they say na Miki Oguname say na the threaten. But I never one day I only the one Oguname say na small pikin may enter house. Now so I did do. I never get one day when I threaten Oguname say I go kill her. I know one day do tell her. The video where they go post put for one this thing for woman where they don't touch where they talk. That one now where he talk say he give Joker boy 7 days. Now I tell am say we dey wait for the 7 days. They not gonna show the video. They not gonna talk am. Now they call the court put. My people not be say I dey fear, not dey fear. Anywhere as they not say na me kill am, make they carry me go anywhere they want carry me go. I ready? We go see who go use a charcoal rub face come. Me I not care. I not dey fear. Nothing wey go make me fear. If I want give person respect, I'll give her respect. Not be say fear. Fear who? Who be that person? When he did Gunebere day with me, when I even do day with me, when Oza day with me, when Ovato day with me, when Odonoge day with me, Ojobekme day with me, all the whole juju where they hide day with me, I go who's person I go fear. I don't dey fear anybody. Nobody. Me for this life, as far as say they drink water, they bath. If they eat salt, they eat the food where mother of the earth produce. As far as say they eat the food when mother of the earth produce, I not the fear because they not go fit do me anything unless if I offend the gods, if I offend God Almighty that creates heaven and earth, that say let there be light, there can be light. He still say let there be darkness, there can be darkness. He can't create things for the light and the darkness. Now only if I offend them, finish. As far as say I not offend them, no person. Where if person give me respect, I go give her. If I see my person where he deserve respect, I go give her respect. All those who not deserve the respect, I not get time for respect for them. People where you go tell them truth, they don't want to know the truth. I'll give the respect now. Then many people want me. They see say each person come out. They want me they bring them down. Ancestors of it. And do he say lie, they're not fit. Instead of them to bring me down, all of them go see disgrace. So shall it be. So shall it be. So shall it be. All of them go see disgrace. Where my ancestors dey. And that they talk truth. Is okay by the na person go fit plan against me go succeed now. Wetin me come out to I want play the date when Oguname give me when he say make I wait am before he go Nigeria. I want play am make my people see am. Wetin him talk where be say Benin people they not they bring those video come out. Now me do video. I be mother. Una come pull life from my head say na me kill Oguname. I go dey look una go swear for all of una wey talk am. And una go see am. Unless if na me really kill am. na ancestors kill Oguname. Now he carry my name. He tell me. He mention name for me. Say na person tell her. Say na that one be my name. He carry and go where he go consult power. Now ancestors struck her. Now be me. Person not they plan evil against me. Because I not plan against anybody. Clear conscience, fear no accusation. Now be me. Me I not go fear Benin people, Benin people. I not go fear. Because it don't pay when they pursue Isha. Then feel say, Isha, they not stand for me. My people stand for me. Because they know now the good fight. And now they fight. They know any do. It did go do. They know. Say na good fight. And they fight. All the whole shura where they hide. They know. Not good fight. Now they fight. Now they send me. With our ancestors. Ancestors we do. And we do. What you go make me fear? I not go fear. But one thing, now then they offend me. Waiting I not do, they say I do one. They offend me for the first one. Second offense. Me, I not get waiting, I do them. My hand, they clean for where they. Now they say they get mad for social. They like money. I not come to look for money for social media. Now the waiting they send me, let me come to do. I never say me person subscribe for me. I never talk her. I not come find money. Now the truth. Now me come to tell the people who know one here. Now you know. Now you know. Now you know. Who know one here? Now you know. I don't come. I come with my pure heart. No evil. Nothing. What will happen to me? Make I play the waiting Oguname the day when it waiting talk about me. But not here.
Authority now, but they are aware. Oh, your video where you this what they talk. They want create tribal war. You think say your small brain reach to take come make people come they form they want fight. You know you too small.
Word for many years.
You too small. If they shake you one feather, no
now me with mama go dey drag the age.
Now Spanish governments.
That be Spanish government.
Because about
you get brother like me, you they call me
Meanwhile, this is Deborah so.
Mona listen, no. He said they tell her that Deborah be my name. Say na so
the girl when she carry come.
He said me.
Carry girl like her. He died for her hand for Italy.
He said he died.
When she tell her like that. So you know this pain, I not go hide yourself. You see they carry video, one on the insult Great Benin Kingdom. You wait, Asha will die. Now if they offend Benin Kingdom, you know
ancestors tell me say do something bad for Benin Kingdom.
Overnight now you say you don't the ancestors first. The sperm of those different men will sleep with you.
You hear?
Their DNA will deposit in you. All those 2 million men will just sleep with you since 20 years.
I never abuse your mama one day.
Now those their DNA will they deposit inside you. Now be the voices when you the hear when you think say na ancestors they talk to you.
May your spirit come if na me kill you. May they invoke your spirit make it come meet me.
Now you call yourself princess.
If you get power,
kingdom.
native daughter go die in spirit not fit work.
We don't track you. You don't come from any kingdom because one will carry your king himself. May come talk whether incense you.
Oh my God!
Say you na princess. They will not say and say, you
know
your princess of Igiagia.
You see how? This person, please, no call me again. No call me. I did for live video. I never want call. go see person for live video. Now that time you go dey call.
Spanish authority now, don't they aware? Oh, your video where you this word they talk, they want to create tribal war. You think say your small brain reach to take come make people come they form they want fights. You know you too small. You too small. If they shake you one feather, not go able touch ground where you go fit draw rain. Now Spanish governments. Because of how Benin band the work.
People when give you my name, not that you say
Deborah so.
If people when you say they tell you my name,
background story
people when you say nah my name be that
the girl when she carry come.
You see how you see?
Evania for her hand.
Evania says us na gele sweat them at all.
When she tell us so you know this pain I know go out yourself. You see the carry you want come the insult Benin Kingdom.
You think say na everybody you go just form like
who for person head.
You see? People go call you, tell you wrong. You go carry and come out to the talk.
Marie Boele. Overnight now you say you don't hear ancestors' voice.
now you still hear ancestors' voice.
Some of those different men will sleep with you. Their DNA where they deposit you, all those 2 million men will just sleep with you since 20 years when you did for Italy.
20 years.
Now those their DNA where they deposit inside you.
Because now your mama carry me call Europe. Now it could be 20 years I spent for Europe. You see, you with the people when they talk.
Italy. Now you call yourself Princess of Igbia Kingdom.
You can call yourself my Peking.
We don't track you.
Fourth
you
of my Peking, now you with them
because one carry your king.
Now you say me can't do it. See ya.
May can't talk whether he send you message. Since you say you na princess.
Say the go. May you see amo. It don't go. May you see waiting. Waiting the reason why make can go Nigeria.
The grandmother of all.
Yeah. Thank you.
So people like those ones join people who are the verse about Benin band and shower work.
If not so.
Because now that one they take the feed.
If not so,
then
make me come out.
Joints where people they work. So they all band and shower work, he all cause Chris for all of my head. If not so that one, so that one you want to do. Go they do on code. Nobody go come they pursue you. Imagine a big bag here,
you went follow water. When you enter Italy, now it's a woman house you live for Italy. Now it's a woman house you stay for 1 room before you go journey. If na aeroplane you take on Europe, I will not say you
live point for life. If that money no reach you to start business, stop hustling, look for work. Igbiagia work now be waiting that they do the pension. Then you reach Spain and you go carry boy lock and for house.
You see, huh? That is
so the IPOB boy now can't give you IPOB orientation. So because you don't get sense of belonging, you hate yourself. You now you take and say, and you hate Benina. Then monkey face can't influence you. Nonsense. So your secrets are why your own case serious now. You
say my case serious. I'm not threatening nothing.
You the form you want raise them, make them say they fight each other. You and that second Momo boy waiting for France.
No.
That one go just carry.
If you're not go talk, he abuses you. You're not going to go arrest him. If you're not go all the video they will
French
all the voice record, everything.
Say madman in the city of Nantes.
If you're not go you are.
So they don't follow all of my page. I inspire they give myself my life here.
Because now come put police for Europe. They're not the condition of Africa. They don't know the condition for Spain. That's when we don't pay for Europe. You never pay.
As that 90 days.
Guys, when we don't pay for country, when we do.
Now the same day though.
You never pay.
As now they different country, the same day I don't pick una the same day, the same time. Now, no know they call ready for you.
You see,
you see, if you're the social media,
no, my pikin, you for just sit down for you for not they talk of this rubbish.
Go see your
cowboy. You for not they talk of all this rubbish. You cry, that type one when you they fight for, you fight offended. I go play
the go feel servant. The question when they come ask Anna, you do first video. Let's say that mistake.
Wait, you know what happened. He still left.
Let's say now.
He still left for in Joka boy. He said they ask her. If they cry, if they do like this.
Sorry, my friend. Drop some messages. I'll pick your calls, sir, please. I'm sorry.
See messages.
In 5 minutes, I'll start to take calls.
Make the people find out. Wait, make they tell the truth. Make they tell the truth. Come out. Wait, to kill you. Make they talk her. Whether not be power when you go the measure IPOB name with my name with many people name. Whether not be instruct you. People when don't find you go they find them.
We the only reason we go they talk now because this mumu they insult our kingdom. And everybody will know me on social media. No,
the lad when you dey, it be like your kingdom.
Problem with Oguname.
The lad when you dey, be like I just
say. You don't go that water. Nothing will ever concern me. If you like, open your legs.
Why you know why? Because we dey there against make the repair the land where we come from. Because una evil thing one they do for that land. Make we not talk and come out. Because if they repair that thing. That our state, evil thing one they do, everything, let it go the shock.
When they collect friend husband, that will never be husband.
My friend, husband.
You say you be person. So
I collect person.
Husband.
I be queen.
Now you princess. Before you sit down social media.
That's why I collect another my husband.
They do no badge. Every day you repeat the same.
I want to welcome
Ali,
a message in word where a file ni go or gwele a herati wo ya gbon or gwele una we file ni go ago oh make I play my people now this one
authority now. That they are aware. Which authority now? That they are aware. A sense of belonging. Now you hate yourself. You now can you take and say, "And yeah, you're winner, and you hate Benina." Then monkey face can influence you. Now nonsense. So your secret are why your own case serious now.
Yeah.
You the form you want you to talk to a sign youth. You the phone, you want wake, you want raise them, make them say they fight each other. You and that second mumu boy waiting for France. That one go just carry knife.
You see?
You go say the fan Benin boy want to keep person want die. So we don't tell French governments. Say madman they patrol the city of Nantes.
Because a French government not see her. Our place.
So they don't follow all of our page. Now expire they give us if na no here.
Now you be
no problem.
Nigeria police what they put for Jamie.
90 days now we all give you now.
You see 90 days. Now that one
90 days is complete.
90 days.
Now the same day though pick now.
All of us.
As now they different country the same day. Now the pick now the same day the same time. Now no know what they call ready.
I know because now you be. Now you be
Europe
this thing.
Instigating tribal. Go see Joka boy. If they cry, they beg.
You see like you say Joka boy they cry.
I beg of your sovereign.
They cry, they beg like. Now there the ancestor fight for. Now there they start.
The question when they come ask Anna. You do first.
Now there they start to follow you. My people, as you now see, now you do that video. When all the whole Ilebinu come they lie say na me do one, na me kill her, and I no fit deny say not be me, I no fit still say na me. Wetin me want tell you now, my people, now wetin he plan for Biafra people, plan for innocent people when they fight, make the repair Benin, make they not they kidnap people, make people not they die, make things they okay. Now, as he read there, he don't want to make good thing enter Benin. So that make the see where they operate for Benin. Now he make all these things go happen to them. They lie. You know they see anything saying they see. Now it person when you do mama, person when you do great mother. I better not be everything person. It get the time where everything go come out. We are go bring as he take us here Egwa iya file begin. Na iharati everything na right hand. He send her to our great mother. That one call advisor. He offend the cost of their people of Ilebinu. He offend the God of Idu. Iridu. He offend them. He offend them. He offend them. How you want to go acquire power? You they measure innocent people name. You they measure different things. You they do things in a power. Make you construct them. You not say no. You say you go find my king. You be one arrested. I not do you anything. I not do you anything. Waiting I preach. Waiting ancestors tell me. Now carry come and tell people. People they die. Many things they happen. Our children they die for Libya Sea. Now come and talk. Now you say na bad thing and they talk. Who's person they go talk to? Now person when they rule the state. Now person when they rule our traditional ruler now talk to. He can't carry on. He can't carry on. Joker boy talk. He can't carry on. And if I offend them, if I offend the gods of their people, if I offend them. Now I put waiting up in me for my head. Okay. May we sit down look and I be dog name. No problem. As all of una take the talker. I did. Some say I know if they sick. But we gonna know who they sick. We gonna know. We gonna know who they sick. We gonna know. No problem. I'm not doing anything. Now how things go take good. They die. One small guy picking the fall for Mediterranean Sea. They say, my baby. No mother when that thing not go touch. Our children when we born for Europe, fear not to let them go our state. If they not kidnap them, they go rape, they go carry them with their mama, with their papa, go rape the small picking, rape mama, kill them. At times, see our brother when come up for America from Auchi, if they go now those states, now the thing happen. Una say me person not talk to the traditional ruler. Ancestors say I must talk to them. Or to them. Everything. I must talk. No person will stop me. Any person when want stop me, what it happen to Oguname, it go happen to her. Not be very sick, not they go dance because na the God, na the enemy do, na the fight. Hello? Hello? Now you need to, now they fight with ancestors where they keep aside. They don't wake up. They don't wake up for our land. Any bad people, when they did that land, when they go carry money come at those states, they go carry money come that land. That is go to land. They know they give farmer. They know they share. They know they use and do anything. Now the rich men they eat them. Now so ancestors go visit all of the land. So shall it be. I'm not gonna stop nobody. Any person who wants to stop me, not back by. Not back by. Any person who wants to say, make it even though na person, na the same papa, the same mama with me. Any person, na my family, na my uncle, when wants to stop me, na so ancestor will take all of them away. Because na then send me to say it. I don't come for my power. I don't come for by my power. I come for the power of it. And if you do, it did bearing. I come with that power. Odohunogi, Ojobiekme, Oza of Vato. They say that the blood when they don't pour for beneath too much. That is why they choose me. Now you open up my comments. Go they practice power where want taking me because I want her for 2 things. Not you. Not the kind of when he said the 1K. Because not be Bini person. Because not be like Binu person. Because not be those two things. They against me. They against Biafra. The ancestors go wipe all of my way. Any people where they against Biafra. Where they go good. Make una just they do na business. The heavy rain when one for make it be say. Now people when they make people they suffer for that land. When you not like good thing, enter those states. We shall people they suffer. Our old women they suffer. Our old men they suffer. Our youth they die. Countries they kill. Kidnapping there everywhere. How you go blame the kidnap people? They go school finish. They go university. Before you go give them work, they go say go bring 20 million. Before they go work, they not see work. What did they go do? Smarter they go say yahoo boy. Man, not blame them. How a young boy go come out and not fit buy a trouser put for waste? How not go do yahoo? I said to say, all those yahoo whether they do not go affect, they not go do them anything. They go cancel those things for their life. Now those people when put them for that suffer, government when no care for them, people rulers when no care for them. Now they come from. Now they come from. Nobody will stop me. Anybody when they do bad for that our states. Anybody, even though na my papa na my mama, anybody, even though na my uncle, anywhere the person there, any person where no one make good to enter, the road of ancestors you go see her, you go receive her. My people, may I still play the one way Oguname still do, the one way the another one where all of them when they social media they know the truth, they no one told the truth. When I listen, where they talk to Joker Boy.
Peace and love. This is Dr. Oguname from Africa Ancestral Spiritual Ministry. And this message is for all Togberian warriors. And for this so-called Emma junkie, aka Igbobia.
You see her?
This message is for this full camp. And this message is coming from the revelation that was shown to me last night.
Ayamakaka.
I personally never wanted to speak on the issue of this Emma junkie boy. Because why? A lot of people is already following up with it. My intention on social media is to be paying closer attention to things that people are not really focusing on. So when I see a topic or something going on that everybody's already on it, then I'm like, no problem. Thank God say that they follow up.
You see, I see you said you want.
But in the issue of this my junkie boy, or you be junkie. See your body, see you don't know, see you no get.
You went follow Morocco, call you there Europe.
In the issue of this boy,
you the lick Toto, you bought Toto. You went marry you go, you the lick Toto. Why your body not go fresh?
And
Nigeria they be like that. You know how many hotel get?
Currently, my junkie is running and hiding.
You see, when he there for your hotel,
people they find you, we not see you, we not know where you there now. You they hide, they go. Abi? No problem. But this message now is this: you have 7 days. Ibieka. You have 7 days. Junkie. You have 7 days to come out publicly and confess, because you have to confess. Ordinary apology is not enough.
Yeah.
No, we don't need that nonsense here, rough play. You have to confess. People who sent you, who sponsor you, and then you cannot issue apology. And you have 7 days to make this decision. Your 7 days start today. It starts today. Meaning after today now 6 days can remain.
We hear.
And if these 7 days you refuse to come make apology, to come clarify yourself, then you, a mad junkie, since you say nothing there be near again, no level. Since you say our ancestors and the things with our land, nothing they happen, no level. Fine. You will be the example. We will take reaffirm again. Say level day. You.
It's a level day.
The gods will flush you out from where you are hiding. And you will be disgraced. Even if you resist and you want to go jump for well, maybe for not get disgrace, the well go vomit you come out.
Oh my God.
The public must see you.
Oh.
Since you say no level. Now the contracts. Now the contracts. Now the ancestors go show us if level really day or not. Now make them say, move and give you 7 days. And for our 4+4 Togba warriors in Benin, we all know, say, this boy dey under una camp.
Now here I talk, we
so
dey wait for the 7 days.
Say, I beg, una forgive her. He is not correct, na trespassing. It's not enough.
They can't put that 7 days. They not put that weight.
You guys have
when you see what he left now. Those guys when they take out that video.
Your duty now to go find a majunkie for wherever he dey. All the Togba squad in Benin listening very good. Your work now to go find a majunkie, carry and come out. More than not carry and come palace, because you need to or say go.
You see big mistake.
We use and do ritual. We don't want here. Because any do, he go kill that boy in the entire palace. This one I your code that the boss give you now. So Mona not carry a near palace at all. Mona carry a house.
Wait a minute. Say
anywhere una come like una carry and go. Una carry down for carry camera, make it talk where he sleep and apologize. That's the work of the Togba warriors. The people lock up say, not concern us.
Okay, we are waiting for the
million are not care about time.
The heart when it comes
if you not care about a man junkie for the work and service we give you now, we can't even take warrant. Imagine that dirty boy can't even become SSA to state governor.
Wanna see demonstration for the team.
Your nyash don't open. Your nyash is don't open. As even be now, the youth leader for your area, if you go back to house, you go. Your nyash don't open. Your nyash is don't open. As even be now, the youth leader for your area, if you go back to house, you go see what go fair happen to you first. So now you now go find bush where you want to pass. Come find where you want go. Come sit down for ground. Come they apologize. I repeat, may they not carry a majunkie near palace. I know say some squad where they find you now want drag you go palace, go drink water. I beg you get do wala go. Why mo sike gwa? Ẹ̀yin do gbe. Ẹ̀yin do wa gbe.
Una no get the level ẹ̀yin again.
Iyaga na ma hiage imaya zese. Wala wa mo sike gwa yeye.
You see what he got to mention. What did they say? You know they exist in Benin land. What did they say? They say do not they exist for that land.
7 days.
You know see how the ancestor put it in for your mouth.
Una we sabi day, na day where una go carry and come out. Where I'm well at you.
Yes, sir.
Your squad.
Now you the boss, you want to meet.
They can't talk where you sleep. After one of your boys. So Mona go find them. No. If you stay silent again, it don't involve Una. So Mona go carry and come out. Make can't talk where you sleep. Now just the message with that one. In my junkie, if you like, smoke another one pass off you go. Take ignore the message. You can still know how it be.
It's smoker for your mouth.
That time your soul will tell you, say, Ate buode, umariye, umariye. A man not you go no where no time when you are saying nonsense. Why they not back yourself? People when come give you money say, go talk for us. Why you not tell them say, Pa be mona bana say talk?
Now people they talk to each other.
Now you
not people talk. Not give now give them
money. Get mind.
The one where is here they talk. The one where when it they had for darkness. Maraki they talk. The one where the Murphy they talk.
See your life now. See your life now.
You see her.
If you know say if you're Mondial, before this 7 days end, we go find person give beleo because your old don't finish now.
I think I see her.
If you know say you be doing of your family, go quick give person
people not put this one.
Because your old don't finish now.
You let me know people not they post this one.
Now you get
7 days.
After these 7 days, everybody where they find you, they go rest. The whole world will see waiting the way you go take come out by yourself.
Okay.
So that make you for know the difference between no J and no Ba.
Okay.
Then you go understand the difference. Because now you never know the difference.
Okay.
And you not learn. You not ask questions. You not study. They not tell you say we be one family. You the teach say you na Biafra. Because POB and Kanu people don't bring
we not be one, no.
You are the front.
We not be one.
We be family.
You don't take one of the give us name. You don't take one of the God say, and yeah, that day. If yes, and I can't buy any quick better. Yes, and you make my
beg. You know what pass and
do. Una guys think you wanna see
that way you not go. We not be one. You not find yourself for the same place. Because
not be when something don't happen, I go they pretend say we be one. We not be one. We be it do it go to me go to Biafra land. Biafra people.
Secret where you
we not be one,
Not be today.
Biafra.
Not be one. And as it be above, now so it must be below. Are you Gino Bama? Imaniya Kopama. Mario Bama Lelo Maku. Maya Sana Konye. Maya Gioma Gie. You need to know us.
Hello.
Oh, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Fine. You want to speak to the war?
Huh?
You want to contribute?
Yes, where are you?
Who they say where are you? You want to contribute for my program?
Yes.
Up as a people before you go to talk for our matter. If you don't know this thing, then your ignorance will kill you. We not be human beings. We be ghosts. We decide to take a ride on this surface of earth. So our journey not end here. Now 13 times now adult people they come life. If we die, we'll come again, we'll come again, we'll come again. 13 good times before we'll finish our mission. Come go where Arioba, Usalo, Ogo Duarte, come go relax, be where for. So we not do it with different. We different. We are different kind of melanated beings.
This proud. They can proud.
Your bloodlines.
They can proud.
Now you they deal with. You know they deal with just ordinary.
They can proud.
No.
Oh.
No. You need to know these things. I don't know, not be excuse. If you don't know, then waka loss. Waka far. Not talk for our issue. Not call them put mark for what they not call you. Not put marks for what they not call you. See your life now. You will that make you SSA to governor. See the way your life be. You look so dirty. Ordinary to just even look fresh. You know green look fresh.
That's
meaning your life
that's the way they eat natural leaf. You know when they eat fertilizer. You don't see yourself how your body be.
No
natural leaf. Natural everything. You not see her.
You don't know difference. Yeah. Why you not learn from your guy Batobase? Why you not follow a good example? May you take
a good example.
See your life now. See how you can't waste your life now. Just because I say an Anita crash. See your life. See your life.
Ow.
No church will save you.
Yaga.
See doctor will put hand for your matter. Any prophet or anything will put hand for your matter.
Oh.
The same thing when the gods don't decide to do with your life now. Now
I not here.
The native doctor, now go do the pastor. Go and tell them, say now Guname tell you
that
this.
Is a Guname.
Screenshot this video. Show them a picture.
Ow! Oh, did they?
Say, see what your Guname talk. This man, maybe Guname. See what he tell me.
Oh, did they?
They go reaffirm man to you. Oh, we're phone. And I'll let you 7 days can remain. Me can go happy. That make me not quit do the video. So that may you not get too many days. Now, today, now, I go
ahead. Now, people when they give us days. Now, they say,
Princess, you don't get many days again. And as you run now, you don't run go bush. I even pray me you don't get internet. So that you don't even hear the video. Normally, we don't even want you get 7 days. To be honest with you, we don't even want you get 7 days. 2 hours is okay, but it get the way the gods say they do their thing and they get their reason for their thing. So we just not to get sure that for listening to how they talk am. So now, whoever knows say he love you, he relate to you, wanna go find him for where he had put. Wanna go find him for where he had put. We get code of one village where you don't enter, but we never really confirm that destination yet. We don't go to the fire again. May you go by yourself. Carry yourself. Come present yourself. All by yourself. Or the gods. Wait there for that Uromi where you for come. My then go first. Your nyash don't open.
If not
your nyash it don't open.
I go the player.
As people be now.
I go the player.
The youth leader for your area.
I be know what they show.
If you go back to us, you go see what you go fail happen to you first. So now you now go find push where you walk up.
They cannot fit do one. I be know what show.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey. Princess Odogwu Nuji. I want to contribute to your program.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, I want to say this, that no man is God. No matter who some people think they are, no man is God. And God has proven himself to show that no man on earth can ever be God.
Exactly.
That is first.
Yeah.
And secondly, I want to say something to you, sister.
Yeah.
That no matter what the Benin people are saying,
yeah,
no matter what they see they are doing, always remember, saying, we the Eastern people,
yeah,
we do your back and nothing will happen.
I know.
If they lack, Make them go kill newborn baby, they do ritual, they do sacrifice.
They even do one. They just show me. They before yesterday. They carry newborn baby so that make me die. Then they cut now in leg. They cut her in leg. Black pikin, newborn baby, maybe 3 months baby. They do one.
See, nothing. Listen, nothing. We don't talk and say nothing. They happen. I watched one documentary where they say about Benin. He come up and say sun and moon meet together. We don't make them they understand now. Say man, if they try anything stupid there, not only sun and moon they go see thunder and rain. They go fall for that palace. They never see anything because we keep quiet. As in the people keep quiet, you know me say we be fool. We keep quiet because we see say we all are one and we need peace to reign among us. But for them to be taking this matter personally, for them to start making threat, unnecessary threat, where they know say that guy way there. Normally the guy dey well. Normally when I say he dey well normal at first. Until he starts this social media saga when he can start to talk nonsense before his ancestors turn it back against him. Ancestors turn back against you. You travel go Nigeria. You can't go see go they down the bones of the ancestors. Why you not go die? You support. They don't know what they saw. Only what they talk so. I they talk this thing from the other side of the world. We they know. We see what thing happen. The dance when you go dance, there's now Olokun dance. Olokun dance is made for the initiate, and the initiates are the one blessed by the deity. Oguname has been disowned by the deity. That's the deity that disowned you. You also have the guts to go there to dance. After insulting the people who were fighting for freedom, you insulted the people who were fighting for self-determination.
Okay.
You insulted a woman because that woman came out to tell the world the truth about the death of innocent people dying every day in those states. Our youth are dying every day. And yet, he has the guts to come out to start talking nonsense, to start lying against innocent people. All the video Oguname do, 80% of those videos are lie, and he know. And he knows that 80% of those videos when he do, now lies not for inside. No video Oguname do when he for talk to. You know, not be said that they lie, but he know the truth. God will create heaven and earth know the truth, and that is why he can never, as he be now, that they claim say na persecute, not the persecute, and he kill himself. He kill himself from the day when he allowed the deity where they protect him, turn the back against him. And as about Benin, and I go hear the way about Benin say there. Now slowly, you go just sleep, you know, wake up, now there go follow go. If you not change the character, if you not change. Now me first talk I first see Oguname dead now. I see he dead. I tell her, if you understand, if you go play one of your video back then. Like,
yes, I play her yesterday. I never want player. You tell her.
I tell her say, if deity don't turn it back against her. When deity they reject, you turn. You go to give her the one food day when deity they like when they eat. But at the end of the day, you turn, you go give her the one when you hate, the one where they say they reject. Then you expect her to protect you. He not be protect you. Now that they talk about Biafra, make I tell the Edo people, I tell the whole Satanas. Either they like her or not, Biafra go come. It go only take time, but it go come. And one thing where be like that, I want to tell them, they say, when Biafra come, them themselves go regret and say, I will say they know they will not fight against this nation. Because I see nation where God will allow Biafra come. By the time, because God already said now. But the time when he talks, say the thing will happen, he never reach. So by the time that time comes, I pray me with their life to witness that better nation where we don't pray for. Yes, we know say Igbos themselves, they're not too good. But they can never be worse than the way Nigeria be so. It can never be.
It can never be.
The Igbos are the best. The Igbos are the best when it comes to development.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that one. They are the best when it comes to development. when it comes to intellectual capacity, the Igbos are the best. When it comes to infrastructural or when it comes to manufacturing, we are coming out the best in the whole of Africa, if not in the world. So what I'm trying to say is this. The Yoruba of Benin and Benin people, they fight against good things. They fight against something will benefit them. They fight against development. They fight against the joy.
Now what your ancestors talk that? Now what did they talk?
And they fight against the joy of the common man. And if they continue like this, they will surprise the way they will say they die one after the other. Imagine, just imagine now, our youth, they know they break my our youth, they say they get where they go. Say that they go work. The only thing where they wake up for those people mind, those youth mind, now how to carry guns, they kill each other.
Yeah.
How to drive rough, accident. Then for the girls, they are slaves. They traffic them, go outside nation, go to do prostitution.
Yeah.
Then for the same girls, when this way, the ones where they can't stay house, can't manage, still marry. During childbirth, that they die for if they give birth to people.
Yeah, because no good hospital.
And one thing where be like say those people never know that they look and say maybe health matter, not the health matter also, not the health matter. The truth is that God bless every woman to give birth. Naturally, God bless every woman to give birth.
Yeah.
But after they don't release all these evil spirits from inside our palace, all the blood-sucking demons where they release, now they take the death, now they cause the death of innocent those citizens. We be sure that they die every day, either by accident or by gunpowder or by childbirth. One thing when I witness of recent, madam, may I tell you something?
Yeah.
One man carry a wife go hospital. His wife won't give birth. He carry a wife go hospital. He reach hospital, finish hospital, say he need to deposit money.
Yeah.
Okay, this man carry a motor that night. Hey, the year. This man carry a motor that night. He run. Say me go collect money from ATM. He get accident for road. The motor somersault.
Okay.
Then the conversation go another hospital. Hearing. What they hear when he wife dey labor. The wife hear say husband don't get accident.
Okay.
The wife not fit give birth. The wife there, but the pikin survive.
Okay. Oh.
Then when the wife there,
oh.
may you hear what is happen. When the wife there, the pikin survive. He quick and born the pikin, but he died because of the stress and because
they not tell her.
Then the man dey hospital now. So the country go tell the man, now you see here this demons say they work. Normal common sense, now they need to apply for that thing. As the man get accident, and they know say the man is capable of taking care of the hospital bill. They were not supposed to tell that woman since that woman is on labor. They're not supposed to tell her. But they tell this woman there after she gives birth. Then the man, hearing that the wife don't die, he say what thing they live for. The man just follow the accident. He follow the accident go. They turn picking where they born to orphan.
Oh.
Now, so many things. As the every day, no day where we say I they wake up, make I not carry water for money to pray for the people of those states. Make the spirit, make the evil deed of the Oba of Benin, the human sacrifice, whether they do for that palace, make the spirit not continue to torment the people of those states. Because, like, what I talk one certain time, I talk and say, the more they commit, if they do something, they do too bad. And some people go to enforce on, they will lay curse upon her, they will lay curse upon people. I stand with what I stand for. Nobody, my past sin no fit kill me, my mass sin no fit kill me. Now sin when I commit, now go fit kill me. And that's why I still talk about they say, they not they cause the children, because the children don't do anything.
No.
Now who dig pit, now go fall into the pit.
Exactly.
After the more it be so, the only thing when you go save her now may continue to do what they do. If not, you not go get peace. So me na hear the look on. I think they now not get peace of mind. Until he start to do the right thing before he go later get the normal peace of mind. And if the more he start to do the right thing, I want tell her something. 3 things now the more he go gain. Wet. wealth go be you. Wealth, as in riches go come. Wey be say the Murphy no go fit explain how e take get am. He go come meet am. If he starts to do the right thing again. Secondly, he go become influential. And the Murphy go become influential. Thirdly, he go get good health. Nothing go happen to him.
Yeah.
As long as the business they break, day and night not they meet each other. No bad thing go meet them. As long as the business they break, money they go market, nothing go still happen to you where business you they talk the truth. And as for all those Benin people, where they throw math, where they write useless comments, where they try to make life very difficult for other Benin people, I want to tell them something. Day and night not they meet.
At all.
Good thing not go meet. Day and night not they meet. Good thing not go meet there again. If they not stop all those nonsense where they do, they go begin to see mystery upon mystery where they say they're not supposed to. And now they quickly they pronounce because of waiting in my mouth. Me na from royal family, from one of the Uromi. I be from royal family. And so therefore, there is a power of divinity on every royal family. The present Oba of Benin knows that human sacrifice is not accepted. Why is he using a full human being for sacrifice? Why are they killing innocent people unknowingly? Why do they kill innocent people every day? These are the things we are saying. And we want the world to listen to us. Let them stop the killings in Edo State. Not Edo State in Nigeria. This is only Edo State now blood. And the worst part of it is the people where they die, they be innocent for what they don't know about now that they die for.
Yeah.
Or more can talk about our Benin people where they suffer for Europe. More can talk about the rate and manner where these people take they suffer. They die. I want to enter police 130 times. My father do all the necessary thing. The then commissioner of police that time was Folúnṣọ́ Adébánjọ, was the then commissioner of police. And I was supposed to start as a CSP, which is a chief superintendent of police, because I was entering directly. All I wanted was a recommendation from a traditional ruler. I went to the Oba Palace with my mom, who is a Benin woman. And my mom was like, okay, please, from so-so family or so-so and so-so person, we need recommendation from this palace to give to the commissioner of police. So the commissioner of police will forward that recommendation to the IG, and the IG will forward that recommendation to the police council for proper clarification and my result, so that I could be ascertained as the office accept me into the Nigeria Police Academy. Do you know what happened next? They asked me for $500,000, which
okay. Okay. Hello. So, my people. No, hold on, my people. Hello?
When they find you now, one drag you go palace, go drink water. I beg you, yet don't want to go. Why am I sick? Hey, you do bad. Hey, you do what bad.
Hey, you do.
Hey, you do what bad. What that what? Here I never. Here I do my. Wala, why am I sick? Why ye? Do what bad? What get bad? You know where? What get bad? You know Tono Jenny. Why get sick? Why? You have 7 days. 7 days. And all Togberian warriors. Una we sabi day. Na day where una go carry and come out.
Na see ah.
Where I'm well.
Na ife cause the tribal warrior. The tribal war. When they talk. Na ife say warrior make they go use.
After all, na one of your boys.
Who cause a tribal? No be Oguname. It is your ancestor to sleep. Hello.
Hello. Now maybe the caller will call you last just now.
Okay.
Okay. So now you call me that say okay now. After my mother then say to them, and I see boast of 20,000 from my account, and they ask me for $500,000. And judging from the fact that they noticed that my mom is a Benin woman, but my dad is not a Benin man. My dad is an Eastern man.
Yeah.
So therefore, you know what they do? They say, "Mo go bring $500,000, or we not get the recommendation letter." What do we go do? Nothing. Then somebody inside that same palace, and then somebody for us say, "Since I not be from Benin, he say it go easy for me to get this kind of recommendation from Eastern land. Make I go meet my traditional ruler from my local government." Okay. So I say, He said yes. He said the office and I said not the same thing.
Okay.
He said all they want is a traditional ruler from the state. Now I say, now I enter motor that same day. And before I was able to be accepted to see those people in other palace, it took me close to 2 weeks. Then I enter motor from what did they call out? From what did they call out? From a ring road. I enter motor from ring road down to Ikobai. Ikobai, I enter motor, okay, see me for ring road to Aduwawa, from Aduwawa to my local government. I go meet Onoji Okuromi.
Yes,
Onoji Okuromi. Onoji Okuromi. Getting to Onoji Okuromi Palace. Immediately, I said, I'm from Uromi. They never even asked me my family name.
Yeah.
And then, immediately, I said, see what I need now. Once, Onoji come out by himself. Once, instantly, it not take me 2 hours for Onoji Palace.
Okay.
They give me that recommendation letter, and they carry drink, they pray for me, they say make I go. If I go, I'll come back successfully. After the prayer, after motor, I come back. The following day, I submit to commissioner. Okay. The commissioner, they not do that Congo they meet IG for Abuja, they can't do until they can't accept me. When they accept me for police. They accept me for police, they 2 weeks. Now I get opportunity to travel out.
Okay.
Now I take come up for Nigeria. I'm not going to anything. But the truth still remains.
My brother, hold on. How we with okay. Aisha with the Biniko become one like that? Now one will be like that. You think if not Benin boy, if not Benin boy go meet them, we be one like that. Be
Isha. One. Okay. Because if they say we be one, but somebody treat us like that. We are not one. That's just the truth. That's just the truth. But the fact that we are from those states and they are saying that we are from the same parents and everything. So because of that, that automatically they are saying we are brothers, but their behavior does not make us brothers. We the Asian people, we like peace. We be peace-loving people. And apart from saying we be peace-loving people, we the Asian people now the only people where we say we not the fear. We they see something, they talk on the way it is.
Okay.
Okay now, with all these things where they say it they happen, I want to ask my Benin brothers whether they criticize, whether they threat, whether they make threats every day. They talk nonsense, saying that's what they go do, now so they not go do.
One say they go talk. One say one record. Wait, hold on. One record, voice record for me. He said that Oba Benin said they come for Nigeria, make they come kill me for Europe here. If they kill me, now 3 years prison they go. Now carry the voice record, go give police. They share around. They say, okay, maybe they wait there. Evening my store now, they put camera. The more he comes this time, one woman can't tell her, say, he know my shop. He know where me they stay. He know me, they tell her rubbish and not the woman. The more he say, make it go my shop. Make it go snap her. Picture, make it bring. Everything I record her. With the way. Listen, mother, mama, you hear me? Yeah.
Ma tell you something here. Listen, here in Europe, we know the way Europeans think. Before they make that move, they don't enter prison.
I mean the way the woman when one come video me, the person, any person they come my place, and don't fall like this. Although camera there, we don't go do every. Forget that one not be problem. I don't want to talk. May not be saying
nothing. I repeat, listen. Not your fear. From what those one for nothing will happen. We don't see all those one pass. Nothing. Nothing will happen.
You don't tell when Benin people know they like to tell I see it, son. If you deal with them for house for Europe, no problem. If you better pass them for Europe, they go describe cloth where you wear as it be. No. It don't take.
There be very, very ungrateful people, and there be people who will say that they beat God for good what God do for them.
As they hate us, now so they hate people. Now so they hate people.
And I want to make this clear. I want to make this clear to all of them. I want them to understand something, that no matter who they think they are, nobody, as far as they don't do this earth, will they drink water, will they eat pepper, I see they talk on. Nobody for this earth will ever become God. It's not possible. And if they think say they will become God on earth, then they're ready to die, because not only death will call them. And the only thing where God told they prove supremacy to other people is they make them understand that the God, the owner of the universe, the one will get the power to give life, and the one will get the power to take life, not be God himself. So now then know what they try to tell you be say nothing will happen to you. We get your back and nothing will happen.
I know. You got one.
See, make I tell you, if you don't understand, we they stand for your back, not be say the one will be say we they talk on, say more we just talking for the program. We they stand for your back and say, I did the break for money now, so that they carry and come out, they try and life will be for you. Today will be for you, they just see. So if anything will happen, before they go reach you, they will go see that in the morning. So maybe they try their best, and if they don't, they go they see and say that they try spiritually, will go they return out to them spiritually. And if they tell me they can't try physically, they will go prison. Nothing will happen to you, will they assure you that one. So you know your worry, yeah. Continue your good work, and we stand by you.
Man, how are you? I'm on this beer. I'm alright.
No, Arama. Take care, man.
My people.
Now just the message with that one. My junkie, if you like,
I go pray
smoke another one, pass off it go. Take ignore the message. You go still know how it be. That time your soul will tell you, say, Atebu Ode, Umar.
What did they do?
Umariye. A man, no, you go no where no time when where you take nonsense.
Hello? Hello, Papa. Bosha. Me what they busy no there. Are you busy?
No,
Egbe what now?
Now where what try went that?
I prove you. Abu.
With nature that protects you. Because you believe the things of the nature, you don't believe the things of life.
Nah.
And nature, everything, both the land, everything, the trees, the sun, the rain, the sea, everything will protect you, because we're out of Georgia.
At all.
At all.
I
don't know why, maybe we will see the world. There is one woman, may I call me a donor. My brother calling on the greater.
Yeah.
Make it not better. Online, you don't like that. You're a tiger.
Mediano. Egwe Benny before. Egwe Lua Benny. Oh, if you know these people, downgrade. That's the one that they downgrade people.
Believe what I see from Benin is that they take us as their slaves.
Now they be slaves, not
just
be
the truth.
Yeah.
No, that is what they take us for. Because when I say they take us, we are slave to them. Our king are slave to them. We don't have a king in Islam.
Yeah, you can say that.
Because if our king does not submit to them, they don't have power over us. Understand?
Yeah.
We don't have a king. All this one need to wipe out.
Yeah.
No, we don't have a king in Islam. That is why we are gaining ground is that there is our people in Benin that really they are our people. We come from we have the same ancestors. All those ones now don't support them. All those ones in our majority of them, they are in our side. Understand me? That is the problem.
I don't like video. Later we go talk.
Okay.
No, not be you at the top, brother. Not be you.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, talk.
Understand me? Because the way I see things is that day before yesterday I checked. No, day before yesterday, 2 days ago, I looked something.
Yeah.
After I see that princess come to talk, saying a princess, but when I check, they say she's not a princess. They say it's lying. It's deceiving. You don't use that one to cover face. There is people. When I listen to your speech that you say that people send him message because only the word when you talk, one word for your word, it means billions of words. You say that if you are really a princess, when you say somebody died, why can't you first of all check to understand what happened to him before you start accuse somebody? That is big point there. Understand me? Because before if you are late, before you want to have to do something, first consult, first check. If you now say something you talk to, now you the consult by yourself, try to understand whether what is happening before you speak out. Because people, there are people in your behind. Anything that you say, people will take it because people are very because spiritual person working. We walk via what that time rubbish, this and that. When I check, I see that there is people pushing him to say it. People is standing behind him, say that anything that by him will protect him. But what I see is that a lot of people will die. This is just the beginning. Hello,
you're my water.
Any people that you know, will say yes. Because the blood of innocent people, they are crying, and the ancestors, all the ancestors before, they are now waking up. They also enter people to use people. Many people that they are speaking, they are not the one that is speaking. It's ancestors that is direct them to talk what they are saying. Understand me? That is what is happening now because people don't even understand what is going on. They just talk They don't try to listen to what is going on. What I see is that you are really people will know you and people will respect you and people will honor you because of your truth. Only that one will tell you because people will respect you, honor you because of your truth. Nobody can kill you. Anybody that is fighting you is fighting our ancestors. Anybody that is fighting the sun, is fighting the moon, is fighting the river, is fighting everything, the tree, the mountain. Every spirit all over the world, they are the one that they are fighting and not you. All those ones will stand by your side, both back and your front. That is the prayer that I pray for you this afternoon.
Thank you very much.
Nobody will kill you. You don't see anything. All those ones, they just see what it is. Nobody is speaking.
Hello?
It's not good. They should try to amend their way. They keep people every day. They keep people every day. At the end of the day, they will say na Fulani. Not the Fulani. They care about people now, and then they care about people. Okay, sister. Thank you. God will bless you.
Hey, Abu, somebody back. Thank you. Okay, boy. My people.
Why they not by themselves talking? People when come give you money say go talk for us. Why you not tell them say pa be mona by yourself talking? Now you sabi talk. Now you get mind. Now you know the fear. Now you life don't tire. Now you ready die for government matter. Now you sabi make mouse. See your life now. See your life now. If you know say if you're Mondial, before this 7 days end, quick go find person give belle because your old don't finish now. If you know say you be the only son of your family, go quick give person belle because your old don't finish now. 7 days now you get. After these 7 days, everybody where they find you, they go rest. The whole world will see waiting the way you go take come out by yourself.
Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing?
It's right. Make I eat my mouth out Okuna me. You better know you're supposed to be rest, but delay if you know people will use you. So they carry your dead body up and down. For you and me, Madam Anna, who come give each other 7 days now? Who let you worry? Who come give 7 before the 7 days complete? Yes, you don't see your sister for grand. Do you set up an me? We never hear your voice, so. I did the course when you say you want to go consult. They never to give you answer. We dey wait to respond to about make the way I say I dey weird. Mama, that the must be way dead, no worry. Here the must be 60. And the must be no now. If not it do where the must be they get a low because if they scream they wake up like a madman, you go back can't. The person way they repair way they talk to. Now I already create access so that I send you out. They don't know. The people you come on your own with propaganda. Soon they will know. Soon they will know that they talk to. Hey, warrior. Ogunale with a vision. With the tech vision. Let the use that let you bastard. If that urban army now really eyes of the God. By now you don't come out I can't respond to this. I think this one is doing this by now. If I don't come outside, I will take my water dry. No, I'm not getting that. Or I did another talking about bishy. Nothing like consult, you know, sing. How can you be an eyes of the God and you can't consult before you consult someone? They just carry allegation, put protect your head without not consult. Because they pay money, say, come, make you consult, you want consult. Because you get people where they work on that, where they give information. Who worry about money? This set of people now don't need to. You see why the other can will kill all of them. The same is if you know means God bastard. Say now, this is now enter the upper land. So, when they talk about that, they never see video circulate. Because that you see ammo tank, now they can't enter the upper land. When they talk, I think they don't enter those states. Why not condemn man? Anybody? I tell you, you see the houses will crash or not for that the upper land. These people, if you not any day when I start, one of them don't die. No worry, there is to go no who die or another late new bastard. I see for plan. And all of now today for plan. Any day when I step na leg enter the upper land, now go die. Any 4 weeks when you say the upper will never come, that says you go dead for the upper will come. Now that's the picture we will tell you now. Oh, maybe I leave you today. Nothing. Our ancestors already carry you come outside. Don't mind this, they're ranting mad. They rant on social media. Why do you not that you take all your place? That is the thing I say they know where your shop. I think of what time you get car. They not that you say do the picture. no worry. And the people will go let themselves be used. In the know where they go and themselves. See almost 350 our boys will put for Italy for course because they let themselves be used.
Yeah.
Some of the other they put them for that condition where they did. Some of them they let themselves be used.
Yeah.
Some of the other didn't put them for where they did. Because we get one any way the products where they use they do means blood to us. Who for there because they speak our dialect, one called the food loss. This generation they are fucking with the wrong generation. This generation they go deal with them, they think they will pick up car or they say not be this our useless people who they try to tell me they wake up, Nobody by the time they don't they cry to you, so no person go tell them they will carry weapon. No person will tell them they will cry for their self. Don't be only sit at home like they sit down. Defend yourself. Make sure they there at a last. Anyway you see army, those anyway you see police, those there. Don't let it go. If you catch anything, don't call police. Police has been at one. Don't work with any of them. All these people are one. Don't let them fool you with their useless until they create. In fact, I think I talked to Obaseki. If you know why they put you as a governor, stand for one place, so if your papa for COVID-19, for those states, we work on the hold their COVID-19 this product card go to tell us now. If my papa create coronavirus or COVID-19 for those states, we will go to tell us that this time around. Because everything about my propaganda, you know, still within the fall upon the mass system, about stop when the guy COVID-19 will kill now. I don't say youth, it's going to go to youth, you really great is going to go youth. Make una carry stick, make una face for battering. Make una ask how this job matter.
Understand the difference. Because now you never know the difference. And you not learn. You not ask questions. You not study. They not tell you say we be one family. You the teach say you na Biafra.
Na Biafra.
Because POB and Kanu people don't wash you. You work on the farm say it's and different.
If we be one family,
and nothing
we not go enter work. We go to
like
where our kids don't dey. If we be one family, if we be one, they go give us anything where we want. If we want go join any work,
so that may you not go for your, may you not go find yourself in the same place. Because as long as you pass that line, come, nothing they change them. Now see be, now so it be. Now be the secret where you need to know. Not be today they do one, they don't do one that it. And as it be above, now so it must be below. Ayuji no bawa, imani ye to go bawa. Mario bawa lelo maku, Maya sana kon ye, Maya gioma ye. You need to know us. You need to know our psychology. You need to understand our philosophy. You need to know our cosmology. How we take them made up as a people before you go to talk for our matter. If you don't know this thing, then your ignorance will kill you. We not be human beings. We be ghosts. We decide to take a ride on this surface of earth. So our journey not end here. Now 13 times now a dope people they call life. That's if good. We die, we'll call it.
I beg, what they do?
We'll call again. 13 good times before we finish our mission. Come go where Arioba Usalo go Duarte. Come go relax where. So we not do it with different. We different. We are different kind of melanated beings. We not be the same. Ancient royal bloodlines, noble souls. Now you they deal with. You know they deal with just ordinary. No. You need to know these things. I don't know, not be excuse. If you don't know, then waka loss. Waka far. Not top our issue. Not come they put mark for what they not call you. Not put mark for what they not call you. See your life now. You will yes, that make you SSA to governor. See the way your life be. You look so dirty. Ordinary to just even look fresh. You know green look fresh. Meaning your life not balanced. Your thinking not straight. You know they eat good food. You need good diets. That no, you're not to sit down, smoking, go. Call the shot, clear road, politician. You just say this is era of politics. You don't know difference. Why you not learn from your guy Batobase? Why you not follow a good example? May you get wisdom. See your life now. See how you can't waste your life now. Just because I say, and I'm in that class. See your life. See your life. No church will save you. Nobody will save you. Any native doctor will put hand for your matter. Any prophet or any put hand for your matter. The same thing when the gods don't decide to do with your life now. Now you go do the native doctor. Now you go do the pastor. Go and tell them, say now Guname tell you this.
That's correct.
Screenshot this video. Show them a picture.
That's correct.
Tell them, say, see what your Guname talk. This man, now be Guname. See what he tell me. They go reaffirm to you. Or we're phone there. And I'll let the 7 days can remain. Me can go happy. That make me not quit do the video. So that may you not get too many days. Now, today, I go end. Maybe before you hear the video now, tomorrow. Now, you don't get many days again. And as you run now, you don't run go bush. I even pray may you not get internet. So that you not going to hear the video. Normally, we don't even want you get 7 days. To be honest with you. We don't even want you get 7 days. 2 hours is okay, but you get the way the gods say they do their thing and they get their reason for their thing. So we just not to get option than to listen to how they talk. So now, whoever knows say he love you, he relate to you, wanna go find him for where he had puts. Wanna go find him for where he had puts. We get code of one village where you run enter, but we never really confirm that destination yet. We don't go to the find you again. May you go by yourself. Carry yourself. Come present yourself. All by yourself. Or the gods will become the new GPS. We will track you. Your own ancestors wait there for that Uromi where you for come. Now then go first start to they flog you. Now there you know say we be family. Now there you go understand. So this is just the message.
I
send you peace and I send you love.
If like, do it got to me go. If do.
Now even waiting we want me you go take as joke self. Because we need example. Now waiting me they beg my sister, I beg. We need 7 people to take show example for Benin. So that we'll get that regard when the things say not there, we'll get them back. And I don't happy now, they don't agree on your own issue. Now only 7 days I give you.
I'm not
oh mama. Bye-bye for now.
Thank you.
For now. I'm Yigbe now. No. 7 days. 7 days don't reach now. No problem. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Send you peace and love. 7 days.
Ow.
Start from today. Thank God now today starts. So you never reach 7 days again.
Okay, 7 days. That's past correct. I didn't see my people. Now he give us 7 days. I can reply and say no problem. We they wait for the 7 days. Now they can't cut. They not put we they wait. They can't cut that 7 days. Put for one. This thing when say they not they touch. They share for everywhere. may you see the thing when they preach for Ilebinu people. They use oppression. They use lie to finish people for that our state. They still doing for the waiting whenever I vote now. Oguna man, na person when not hear word. I like her like a pikin. I talk to her. Oguna man, this Biafra matter, we joke up where matter, it too big for you. It too big for you. Remove hands. I look her. It be like just like my child. Remove hands. I tell her, my video there where I tell her, well, I walk a regbe. I tell her, ancestors in only le joka boy keke Biafra matter, okpologbe. A spirit in only le okpo it too much. Spirit when it followed Biafra matter, it too big. I want Oguname. The video there. Enter house. I warn you, not let me come out for you. Enter house. That's why I warn her. Me, I don't know the content say I give her. The 7 days when they talk, now he promised us 7 days. He saying give us 7 days. 2 times, he give me 17 days. He still give us 7 days for Joker Boy. Oh, now he give us. Now he give us. Me, I don't know. Make I still play, get one music when I Benin musical. I want player because he get one of our father where he still talk put for the this thing. Make I play. Make my people listen. Make I find a break. Wanna hold on. I welcome my people. Wabokia, Wawese.
Èmi náà rí ní ìbágbọ́n. Ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ lọ́nà ṣàyàbọ̀ yẹn.
Ẹ̀ka ọ̀ṣàyàbọ̀ yẹn.
Ọ̀ṣàgì gọ́mà o. Ọ̀ṣàgì gọ́mà o. Èmi náà rí ní òbíje. Ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ lọ́nà ṣàyàbọ̀ yẹn. Àgẹ́kọ̀ o. Ẹ̀kọ́ o, ẹ̀kọ́ ló sábà kọ̀. Àgẹ́kọ̀ o. Ẹ̀kọ́ ló sábà kọ̀. Ese guardié, acabé parte. Èmi náà rí wo bíje, ọ̀tá ọ̀nà lè yàgé o. Ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ o, àbáwẹ̀ o, wàgé kan o. Ẹ̀ka o, ẹ̀ka o, sábà kọ̀, wàgé kan o.
Salova na moto na moko na modena na otemota egboe oba oge oyero mafia. So therefore I try to let some people know today I'm otemota ono lumino se oda homoge oria we vitali okay you know ubi abana oni mi na da dia no se for example, Meda Yogi Jacob, this Jacob, Gay Olisioli Nadam Meda Saboki, Hasuwa. E Jacob at home, Meda Dota Moria, Jacob di Vam, and you tani menova o Aki Mege Jacob da Hongi Meyogi, or Lekirigo Mere Hasuwa. Jacob da yo le da avant ba ye tamame o Jacob ukize no nuko na ni street na da tali Jacob ya ho ge metali Jacob di van okay o I Jacob da me da Jacob o working ye bani wo kan le o yi wo kan we gane read the whole village free education Jacob wa ho ge me da tai Jacob di do yido mo pia bu meri mo kidnapper bu meri mo hire killer bu meri wuwa ejo
no way
then akiyemiege Joseph Riveni mejo Joseph that Joseph olo zagai oleba ebada kokun agbego kan unu ge Jacob all the whole assassin ole control I Jacob da kidon home. Then medak yes aboyo medak bari meyo me free admo ni metai ba believe Jacob oda hon okay menhane geni popoki vai oni mehoni vale o oni mehoni vale o so therefore I strongly believe where am aba whether am enne whether am you whether am kenke whether I'm on or darling, me no bagba. Who could feel it? I love you. Way in a aba on a mean well. Shadow the stop, where I stop, or the nurse soon. Either Kalova. Then, whether I'm winning about that, you look at my. I know where cat stop, Ukalaba. Only on even a butcher yamu. Do a boredo ye, covered there. A back away door. Okay, but on I met her. What a time I kind of thing, I kiss me lad. You can see a devil. Only a bar you were I mean, we are come gas, so ever. What can I hear? On a memory, egg big winner was there no in there. Monsieur, your never nanya gini we are legi abe odo never namu. We are your mom no vai no somba jolag mo uki aba. Never male no de was your yoli, no vano no de was your yoli. Ala no emolenya. Abeka we do. Looking where. Ede we akeke mure we kaba we de buy tonebina we de buy vonebina we le abeki agbe. Opopo da vai wonu wa. Where pala free one wa sickness that vavonu wa where pala free one wa. What I'm not trying to say, we are a freedom fighter for good, you must free. We are a freedom fighter for bad one, you will not go free. Whether you call yourself a gagoon, where do you they belong to, where you they go, where you know they go, we don't know, we not care to know. We not go give you freedom. We not go give you chance. We not go give you any liberation. You are under in bondage. Then, Tade Soko say there be elephant. Now so Soko say there be tiger. Now so Soko say there be scorpion. Now so the Soko say there be fish. Then, the one when be fish. I tell you now, because of some problem when they for cow now. Elderly people in the village now, they don't want to eat cow again because they are afraid. They want to spare their life to that kind of 125 years, 130, 150. Some people want to even spend 200 years. So, they want to start forgetting that cow to do burial. So, therefore, they need fish. Okay, if you they do good, you say you go survive. If you can't say they do good, then you can't say you be fish now. They want fish now. They want start to they use they do burial. Now you tell yourself what you say you be. If you swallow this word, if you not go back home, if you hear this message, you not go back home and repent your statement and come back vividly and say, oh, I'm sorry for what I'm saying. I'm sorry. And if you return a curse, except you are not drinking water for 7 days, you not drink water. 7 days you don't eat any food that kill with salt. 7 days you did not eat anything that would containing with oil. Oil for meat, oil for the red oil, the granite oil. You did not take it. You don't go to toilet. That is only where you don't. The man, not if you are a man, you know they lie on top of woman. If you are a woman, man, not they lie on top of you. You know they sleep for your back. You know they sleep for your phone. Now only then you free. If you commit anything, Holy Ghost fire consume you. Holy Ghost fire consume you. I'm not that kind of prophet. I'm not that kind of pastor. I'm not that kind of reverend. I'm not nothing. But I tell you, and I decree right now, for the land to get peace, for the land to be a holy land forever and ever, what Ojukwu have fight is what Nnamdi Kanu is facing now. You know, anybody that contribute to say Ojukwu did not win the war, really did not win it, and many souls have died. If you have a pity mind, you know what you have caused as at that time, what your forefather have caused as at that time, what your mother have caused as at that time. But we are in a modern stage now. Why not repent? Why not say, oh, no to that? Then, if you continue to say, it will still happen again at this generation where we are now, 2021, I'm just saying it as a low man in the world that can move all over the world, that can blow a trumpet in this stage. If you are the one trying to do all this rubbish, I'm telling you, the ground will open and it will swallow you. And the sea, you will look, you will enter and walk into that sea, it will swallow you. Anywhere you go, even inside your room, will be a heat to your body. Even there is cold. You are in Europe, you are in Africa, anywhere you are. The only breeze you take that is free for every common man, it will be a disease into your life. I consume now. If you cannot repent and not come out and say verbally and say, I'm sorry, let the good come together and join. If there is no peace, there is no happiness. Why should you people stand aside and let them be killing your prophet? You know the reigning prophet today? Nnamdi Kanu. The reigning prophet today is Nnamdi Kanu in Yoruba land, in Hausa land, in East, in Edo State. That is the new prophet. What he said, is it not come to pass? Why everybody not join hand? Don't say because my father is the president, because of that you want to start propaganda. If you do it because of the call they give to you, because of the money they use to entice you, the land will swallow you, because the innocent people are the one dying. The innocent people are the one going down. So with this one, you will not get freedom. You will not free. Even this room you sleep in the night, check out the dream you are dreaming. Check out the dream they are dreaming. It is time for you to repent. It is time for you to decide. It is time for you to follow the movie train. It is time for you to say, hey, this time enough is enough. If you want to fight any freedom fighter, I declare for you now, both the one in Europe, both the one in Africa, both the one in anywhere, under the stone, under the river, under the Uroko tree, I don't care to know where you are coming from. I say it with my own mind. Change now. If you change, you have no problem. If you did not change, I'm sorry. You are gone down. You are down. You are down. You are down. You are down. If you have anybody doing that, you are close to that person because the feeding is feeding you, because the house is giving you to live, and you are staying, and you cannot come in one way or the other. When it's cold, you say sister or brother or my wife or my pikin or whosoever call, say, hey, this thing, let's put a stop. Look. Try to make sure that person repent from that thing is doing. You know, it causes havoc to many children, unborn children. You don't want to do that, and you want to join that person. The same cause go with you. The same cause go with you. Bomi me uponoje. Came my picking for me. That today. I'm just telling you people, take it the way you see it. If it happen, go down. Don't blame nobody. If you start blaming nobody, blame anyone, it's propaganda. Earlier the better. Earlier the better. Earlier the better. Ciao.
My people, now well done. I greet everybody now. One of our brother be that from home. One thing when I want to talk to Biafra people. Now Biafra people I want to talk to now. Biafra people, more than not they preach say make they live in the Kano. I don't tell you what before me tell you now. More than not they preach say more they live in the Kano. Only one thing, more than make sure say when they go there, the people when get access to that place, may they go there. Although ancestors they surround them, they deal with her. I know about that. More than not tell them again. Heavy rain is going to fall. But the innocent one, it will not touch them. It will not touch the innocent ones. Make una not Biafra. Please. Make una not tell una governor. Make una not tell anybody. Anything one know so na go feed they do more than they do. More than not tell them. More than not tell Nigeria government. More than not tell Kaba. Make they live in the Kano. More than not talk am again. The war don't start for spiritual rain. Heavy rain, it won't fall for Igbo land. Heavy rain, it won't fall for those who have in hand in Nnamdi Kanu. But the people, when they say, now then they follow Nnamdi Kanu, and I don't know the person. Ancestors say, make I don't know the people. But I go feel, even though not me, anybody when he get hand for Nnamdi Kanu. They say make una no tell them make they leave am again. They say make una no tell them make they leave am again. Before 3 days now I go travel. I no go come out for video. We want go war. Man, I no tell them say make they leave Nnamdi Kanu. Heavy rain. He want fall for those. He want fall. Man, I no tell them again. Biafra people. Now the message. Man, I leave them. Both the governor for Biafra land, both the red cap, anyone, whether now any Eziedi Igbo, waiting that they call I don't know. Mona leave them when he get hand for Biafra, for Nnamdi Kanu with Nigeria government. Mona leave them. Heavy rain want to fall. Anywhere, any state in Nigeria, when he have hand in Nnamdi Kanu. If now we, when they talk about the freedom, anybody, heavy rain is going to fall now. Make everybody buy rubber where go take pull the rain. But the innocent ones, they go survive. The innocent ones, they go survive. They not go feed they kill innocent people. Make they put their children for abroad. People, they die for Nigeria, they die for North, they die for Hausa land, they die for everywhere. Boko Haram, the key, Esme, the key. No, the heavy rain want to fall. It want to fall. It want heavy rain want to fall. Who like, make it believe. Who no like, make it not believe. I don't send my message with that. My people. Now waiting I get to tell you now be that. Mona no tell them, but Mona go the see her. Mona no tell them make they leave am again. Mona no tell her until the court day when they say court. Mona no tell them. Heavy rain want fall. But he get where I want go. And from tomorrow I no come out for live video. Get where I want to go. I only put 7 days. I don't come out. I dey travel. Any person where he want hear, let him hear. Biafra people, Mona not talk about. Make the release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu na bone when they tie for dog neck to Nigeria. To all those that has in hand in Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu na bow when they tie for the Hausa Fulani and the those when he have hand. Both the Biafra land anywhere in Nigeria. Na bow when they tie for dog neck. That is the words of ancestors. Now do well, my people. Any person want make contribution, I want to go find something to eat. Any person where want call, make it call. And so my people, Oguname, I beg, Bini people, anywhere na want carry me go, already, may we see. If na me, if now, I ready. Me, I no go fit deny say na me killer. I no go fit say not be me. But anywhere na want carry me go, I dey full house. I ready. Now it be my people. That one be word where the waiting make me come out today. Una do well. Ancestors go bless those that contest with me. Those that plan evil against me, ancestors go destroy them. With the power of Idigu and Oza, Ovato, Odounud, Ogebiekme, and the Imidu, and God Almighty that creates heaven and earth, that say let there be light, there can be light. He say, let there be darkness, there can be darkness. He create things for the darkness. Those things, now they surround me. Now do well, my people. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.